All right, you guys, so we're at a T8 in Clayton, Indiana. We have a 3-hour drive. It's like 150 miles. So what we're doing right now is getting fuel. As you can see, it's currently raining. It's about 46 degrees outside, so we're just getting fuel. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be raining all day, but right now it's kind of raining, so we're getting both diesel and we're getting DEF here, so. Like I said, we have a 3-hour drive and it's about 150 miles. So depending on like the weather conditions, it may even take us longer to get there. So we just got to take our time because of the rain. And then of course, depending on traffic, how bad traffic is. So. Almost at 100 gallons. I think I'm gonna stop it at 100 gallons. We have 99.840 gallons. That ran us around $439.20. Alright, you guys, so I finally got into the shipping and receiving door. Now what I have to do is drop my trailer, unhook the lines, and also pull the fifth wheel release and lower the landing gear. For some odd reason, they want me to pull a Walmart trailer. Now you guys know Walmart is top of the line when it comes to, you know, driving, so I'm going to be careful moving this trailer because it's a Walmart trailer. So they have 2 docks, one on both sides of the building. So I just dropped my trailer. Now I'm going to go hook up to a Walmart trailer and pull it over where I am at right now. Pretty much put my trailer with my company into the spot they request. So it's kind of strange moving another company's trailer simply because it's not your equipment. But if they ask for you to move the trailer, you want to just, you know, practice on customer service, giving the customer the best possible experience that you can. So we're gonna hook up to this trailer that we have and pretty much get out of here for the night. I don't know if we're gonna stay here for our 10-hour break or not. So yeah, hopefully we can hook up our tractor to their trailer and see if we can. that was strange. A bus almost ran into my tractor. See, that's why you gotta like be careful when being behind like the building, simply because you never know who's driving. It can be a car, it can be a tractor, trailer, it can be a bus. It really can be anything. You just have to be careful. You guys, we're about to hook up to a Walmart trailer. This is unbelievable. Connected. All right, so we have to hook up our lines, and we also have to do the landing gear and make sure that our fifth wheel release handle is pushed in. And like I said, this is my first ever Walmart trailer, so I'm gonna try to be delicate and pristine at moving this trailer. So I'll check in with you guys in a second.